Yes. So with this point, let us start. Go ahead with the next chapter, which is going to be material costing. Are we ready, everyone? Yes. Also, are we ready to start a new chapter to actually get into the concepts, to solve questions, to simplify things, to understand things in a very simple way? Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, everyone? Great. So let us go ahead with the chapter material costing. We are having 5 different concepts. The first concept is EOQ and its related concept. Sir, what is EOQ, sir? EOQ means economic ordering quantity. What on earth is it, sir? Simple. I am purchasing my raw material. Understand? Yes, you guys can close your books. Okay. I am purchasing my raw material. When I am purchasing my raw material, simple students, when I am purchasing anything in the world, what is my objective? The amount I am paying, should it be more or should it be less? Should be less. When I'm selling, when I'm getting cash inflow, should it be more? Should it be less? Yes or no? Cash inflow should always be more, outflow should always be less. So when I'm purchasing my raw material, what is my objective? That the cash outflow should be less, my purchase cost should be less. Yes or no? Yes. So objective of business is to minimize. When I'm purchasing, minimize what? Do I want to minimize just the purchase cost or the total cost of raw material? My objective is not to minimize just the purchase cost. My total cost of raw material should be minimum. Sir, what is this, sir? Simple example I'll give. Imagine I decided we are going to stop teaching. What is needed in life? Maja is needed. Yes or no? Yes, there is no maja here. So we decided so much tension. Yes, so much question solving. Every time telling silence, silence, shh, all those things needed. We stop this. Simple business I want. We decided we will start selling sugar cane juice. No tension only. Yes or no? Yes. We will get sugar cane from the market. You will put it in machine. You will put this. You give it. Take 20 rupees. Simple maja is coming. No tension. No telling. Shh. Listen, listen. You want, you drink. You don't want, go. Simple. Okay. For that, what I have to purchase? Sugar cane I have to purchase. 2 different places sugar cane is available. Assume one slightly outside Chennai. Say for example 100 km from Chennai. Yes, sugar supplier number 1 is there. Or else I can purchase from supplier number 2 who actually grows sugar cane. In the northern parts of Karnataka, sugar cane is actually grown. From there also I can buy. Now, if I buy from supplier 1 who is in Chennai, yes, sugar cane cost is 12 lakh. If I buy directly from manufacturer, sugar cane cost is 10 lakh only. That means tell me, ideally which is better? I buy from Karnataka, 10 lakh I am getting. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. But if I buy, I have to transport also. Yes or no? So imagine other associated cost. If I'm buying from here, it is nearby only 1 lakh I'm incurring. From there, imagine randomly I'm taking 4 lakh I'm incurring. That means what is my total cost if I buy from supplier 1? 13 lakh. But if I buy from supplier 2, yes, purchase cost is cheaper. But what is my total cost? 14 lakh. So tell me on an overall basis from whom I should buy. From supplier number 1 only I should buy. Yes or no, everyone? The objective of business is to minimize. Is it to minimize the purchase cost? No, boss. It is to minimize the total cost of raw materials. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, boss. Now, yes, what all is included when I tell total cost? 3 costs are included. Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost. Yes, tell me, everyone. Total cost of raw material. Total cost of raw material. 3 things are there. What all, students? It is a purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. Sir, what on earth is this, sir? Don't worry. We will explain. Why are we here for? Explaining now. Okay, chill. So let us go. Maja is coming. Where is it? Here it is. What happened? Huh? It came, huh? What is the problem? What do you want? Switch it on, nah? You want me to do? Yes, everyone. So let us continue our discussion. Pay attention. Shh. What is our objective? Total cost of raw material should be minimum. In total cost, what all items are there? 3 items. Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost. Sir, what on earth is this, sir? Okay, let us understand. Forget this story. Now, imagine. Who is this? This is me. Yes, imagine this is my mom. Okay, so I'm at my home. Okay, yes, mom told me, yes, go purchase rice from the market. Now here outside I am a CA. I can tell people, get that, get this. Yes, at home, who is the boss? Mom is the boss. Can you tell anything to mom? Nothing can be done. Yes or no? So mom told, go to market, purchase rice and come. No, mom, CA na. Yes, if you tell that, what will you get? A flying chappal coming at 150 kilometer per hour, directly hitting you on your forehead. So no risk. Okay, so I told, okay, mom, how much rice you want? She told, I decided, okay, boss, we will go. So I told, okay, la 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 la. Now, Baja is coming. Firstly, I have to go till the supermarket. Yes or no? For that, I will be incurring cost. Imagine I'm not having a vehicle with me. So I call an auto. La 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 la. Driverless auto. Can you see? Yes, Tesla is coming up with driverless car. What is this? We are more advanced. Driverless auto. Okay. So I go here, supermarket. La 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 la. Okay. I am inside the. It is not visible. See, now I come outside. See. That's it. I am everywhere. Ah. So he brought me till here. I'll have to pay him as well. Imagine I paid him a transportation cost of 100 rupees. Is it cost? Yes, sir. Then I go to supermarket. Yes, I paid him cash. I'm coming here to supermarket. Look at this. Moonwalk. Can you see my Michael Jackson? Yes, I purchased. Yes, he's telling me 1,000 rupees. So I'll have to pay for him as well. So I paid him 1,000 rupees. Okay. Huh? Including spoon, that is free. They give complimentary. Good people there. Okay. So two places I've incurred cost. What all I've incurred? Transportation I've incurred cost. Secondly, to my supplier I've paid. Yes, to my supplier, whatever I'm paying, that is my purchase cost. Then I come back, I come outside. Again, I'll have to go back home. Yes or no? So again, driver is waiting. La 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 la. Maja is coming. Yes or no, everyone? Yes, so he dropped me back again. Again, I'm paying him cash. Again, imagine I paid him 100 rupees. Okay. Now I go to my home. Okay, I give the rice to mom. Now tell me, imagine 50 kg rice we purchased. Come back to the topic. 50 kg rice we purchased. Whether all 50 kg rice today only we are going to use? No. Slowly. That means till the time I am going to use them, I will have to store my items. Yes or no, everyone? Yes or no, item? We have to store our items. Yes. Ha. So, for that also I will be incurring cost. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Now forget home. Imagine we are having a business. I'm having raw material. To store that, I want a place. Yes, warehouse. For that storage cost also I'll be incurring. Okay, boss. So mom took it, kept it in the storehouse. And after several days, rice is ready. Yes or no, everyone? Maja is not coming with rice. If it was biryani, Maja would have come. Yes or no? But if it was biryani, you will sleep in the class. Then when you give your exam, you will not pass. That time Maja will not come. So sometimes it is better to delay the Maja. Okay? Yes. Yes, everyone. Now understand in our story what all has happened. Firstly, from my home to the supermarket, I went. I paid for my auto driver. Yes or no, everyone? That is a cost. That is my ordering cost. Why am I incurring this? To order my raw material, I am going. Yes or no? So that means if I am ordering 10 times, 10 times I will be incurring this cost. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. I reached the supermarket. Who was there? Yes, the cashier was there. For him, I paid the money. Is this cost? Yes, sir, it is cost. It is my purchased cost. Amount that I am paying to my supplier. Then from my supermarket, I came back home again in my auto, driverless auto. Again, my ordering cost, transportation cost only. Then once I reach my home, today itself, am I using this? No, I am storing my raw material. I have to carry my raw material. I have to hold my raw material. So in order to carry my raw material from the date I have received till the date I am using, I will be incurring a cost, which is my carrying cost. Is this clear, everyone? So overall, how many costs I will be incurring? 3 costs. First is purchase cost, to purchase. Ordering cost to order. Yes, going, coming, all those things. Then carrying. The day I purchase, today itself I'm not using. I'm holding it. So it is called as holding cost, carrying cost. Is this clear? And as a businessman, what is going to be our objective? The total of three costs should be minimum. Is this clear, everyone? Slowly, with simple examples, we'll keep understanding each and every point. Okay, boss. Yes, each and everything in a detailed way. What is purchase, ordering, carrying, forward, all those things we'll go into it. Yes. How do we fulfill the annual demand of raw material? Simple example, students. Imagine in a year we want total 360 kg rice at our home. Okay, that means 1 year altogether I have to purchase 360 kg. But how I'll purchase is my option. Yes, imagine Gadi is my supplier. Okay, from him I'm going and purchasing my raw material. So how can I purchase? Option number one. Today itself I will go. I will purchase full 360 kg. That means for the entire year, should I have to worry? No. Jujube. Yes or no, everyone? So I'll tell 360 kg I will go. Ordering quantity. Today I purchase 360 kg. That means how much order is sufficient? One order is sufficient. So I got total 360 kg. Yes or no, everyone? Or else I told full 360 kg. Why should I buy? I will do one thing. 180 I will buy. Okay, okay, sir. So I will tell 180 kg, 180 kg I will buy. If that is the case, how many times should I buy? Ajay, wash your face and come go. How many times should I buy? How many times should I buy? 2 times I should buy. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. That again means total is how much? 360 kg. Every 6 months I'll buy. Well, I'm telling 180 is also not needed. I will do 90. 90 is always good for us, for health. Yes or no? Kg. Yes, 90. That means how many times I should buy? Tell me total how much I want. 360 I want. 90. How many orders? 4 orders. That way also if I do 360 kg. Or else I'm telling no. 90 is too much. 60 is perfect. 60, how many times? 6 orders. That will also give me 360 kg. I'm telling 60 also sometimes is strong. 30 is set. Yes or no? So I'll buy 30 kg. Total how much I want? 360. So 30. How many times? 12 times I have to order 360 kg. Or I'll tell no. 10 I'll buy. That means how many times I'll have to buy? 36 times 360 kg. Yes or no, everyone? Now understand what is happening. I have my annual demand of raw material. 1 year total 360 kg raw material I want. All these options are there. Yes or no, everyone? In each of these options, I will tell what is going to be my purchase cost, what is going to be my carrying cost, what is going to be my ordering cost, what is going to be my carrying cost, what is going to be my total cost. Yes, I will add all of them. Summation of purchase cost plus ordering cost plus carrying cost. Imagine randomly I'm giving you numbers. Imagine it is 110, it is 100, it is 95, it is 98, it is 102, it is 108. Tell me, what do I want ultimately? My total cost of raw material, should it be more? Should it be less? Should be minimum. Where my total cost of raw material is minimum? 95. When is it minimum? When I am buying 90 kgs. Yes or no, everyone? That means the most economical ordering quantity. Ordering quantity means how much quantity I am ordering. The most economical, the point at which it is the best for me, the most economical ordering quantity is how much? 90 kg. This is what my EOQ is telling. Yes or no? So what all we have discussed slowly. Firstly, I told when I am purchasing raw material, objective is cost should be minimum. Which cost should be minimum? Total cost should be minimum. In total cost, what all items are there? Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost. Total of the 3 should be minimum. There are different options in which I can buy. The option at which my total cost is minimum, that ordering quantity, that option is going to be my economic ordering quantity. That means ideally, whenever I'm going to purchase rice, how much kg I should be buying? 90 kg I should be buying. Yes or no, everyone? Is this clear? Okay. Overall, one idea we got. Now, based on this, some simple formulas let us create. Look at this. First formula is, see, this into this. I'm always getting this. Yes or no? 360 kg per order into 1 order. 360 kg. 180 kg into 2 orders is 360 kg. Yes. This is ordering quantity. One time when I'm ordering, how much quantity I'm ordering into how many times I'm ordering tells me total how much I'm ordering. Yes or no, everyone? Simple. There is no need to buy hard thing. Simple. Okay, boss. Every time I'm buying 90 kg. Like that, how many times I purchase? 4 times I purchase. That means total how much I purchase? 90 into 4, 360. Yes or no? So can I also write it as a formula? Look at this, everyone. Total demand of raw material. I can tell. Yes. Annual demand of raw materials. Ordering quantity. That is one time how much I am buying into number of orders. Get the feel how many times I am buying gives me the annual demand of raw material total how much I want. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. That means if I want to calculate my number of orders, how many times should I buy? Can I create the formula, everyone? Yes or no? What is the formula going to be? It is going to be annual demand of raw material. Here it is into, if it comes here, divided by ordering quantity. Annual demand of raw material divided by ordering quantity. Yes or no, everyone? Is there a need for this formula? No. You told me answer without that also. I told you guys, I want to total 360 kg, 90 kg I'm buying. Yes or no? Simple cross multiplication. Every order 90 kg I'm buying. I want to total 360 kg. That means how many times I should buy? 360 divided by 90. Yes, it is annual demand of raw material divided by ordering quantity. Without formula also we can do. The entire subject, yes, every formula we will just get the feel. On feel we will do. No need to by heart a single thing. Is this clear, everyone? If you keep by hearting, there is going to be no end. Yes or no? Total how much I want divided by one time how much I am buying tells me how many times I should buy. Simple. Jujubi. Is this clear, everyone? Till here, is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Now, objective of business is to find out that ordering quantity at which the total raw material cost is minimum. That ordering quantity is called as my economic ordering quantity. Till here, things are fine. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Let me summarize whatever I've told. Pay attention. We'll keep going slowly only. No issues. When I'm purchasing raw material, yes, everyone. So let us just revise. I told when I'm purchasing raw material, what is my objective? Total cost should be minimum. What all is there in total cost? Purchase cost, ordering cost, carrying cost. Perfect. Then I told in order to fulfill my annual demand of raw material, different options will be there. At which option my total cost is minimum? That option, that ordering quantity is my most economic ordering quantity, EOQ. Based on that, we told some two simple very formulas. First is ordering quantity into number of orders. One time how much I'm buying into how many times I'm buying gives me total how much I'm buying. Yes or no, everyone? That means if I have to calculate number of orders, how many times I'm buying? Simple. It is annual demand divided by ordering quantity. Total how much I want divided by one time how much I'm buying. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, sir. Now each of these costs in a detailed way, let us try understanding. Purchase cost. What is purchase cost? It is the amount paid to the supplier for purchase of raw material. How much amount I'm paying to supplier? That is my purchase cost. Is this clear? Okay, simple. UGB. Now here we are having a very simple example. Same example. Imagine I am purchasing sugar cane. Yes, 1 year total. How much sugar cane I want? Assume 10 lakh sugar cane I want. Annual demand of raw material. Purchase cost for every sugar cane. How much I'm paying? 1 rupee. Ordering cost is going to be 2000 per order. Every order 2000 I'm paying. Carrying cost is going to be 10% of purchase price. What it is, we'll discuss later. Calculate the total inventory cost at various levels. Now here we have taken 6 different options. Tell me, students, in 1 year, total how much sugar cane I want? 10 lakh I want. So how can I buy? I'm telling option number 1. Today itself go purchase 10 lakh. End of the story. That means how many times I have to order? One time is sufficient. Or else I can do one thing. 5 lakh I can order. If that is the case, how many times I should order? 2 times I should order. Or I'll tell no boss, 2.5 I'll buy. That means how many orders? 4 orders. 10 lakh I should, oh, yes, sorry, 2 lakh I'm buying. That means 5 orders. 1 lakh. Total 10 lakh I want. That means 10 orders. If I'm buying 10,000. Total how much I want? 10 lakh. Yes, every time 10,000. That means 100 orders. Yes or no, everyone? Simple. If you want formula also, it is there. It is annual demand divided by ordering quantity. Total how much I want divided by every time how much I'm buying. That also you don't want. Simple cross multiplication also you can do. So ordering quantity is 10,000. That means in one order, I am buying 10,000. Total how much I want? 10 lakh. That means how many orders? 10 lakh by 10,000. 100 orders. Yes, I've told you. Yes, cross multiplication can give you answer for literally anything if you know how to create it. As simple as that. The entire costing FM inter final, you can finish it off just by knowing cross multiplication. Okay. Yes. Till here, is this clear, everyone? Now, based on that, I have to calculate my purchase cost. Now, understand all my calculation I will do for 1 year. Pay attention. Very simple. Imagine Gadi is my supplier. Option number one. How much quantity I want? 10 lakh I want. Today only I will go. I will purchase 10 lakh. For every item, how much I am paying? 1 rupee I am paying. Yes or no, everyone? That means for 10 lakh units, total how much I should pay? 10 lakh rupees I should pay. Yes or no, everyone? So I pay 10 lakh to, yes, Gadi. Gadi gives me sugar cane. End of the story. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Third bench, black color. Yes, I would hope that the people sitting here do not sleep. You want to sleep, you go back, you sleep. Yes, for my eyes, I should not be able to see you guys sleep, even if it is at the end. At the end, I can see your head only, so no problem. I cannot see your face. Okay? Or try sleeping in a way that I do not understand. Okay, like this. So I think, you're studying. Okay? Come up with some, yes, good techniques. Da. Don't really, what is this? Okay, pay attention, everyone. Yes, if you guys are feeling sleepy, yes, you can always, yes, drink water, sprinkle water on your face, go outside, slap your friend left, right, do anything. I don't want to see you sleep in front of me. Or do one thing, very best option. Yes, just remove your this thing, go down, sit down and sleep. I will not see you sleep. What is the problem? Okay, no problem. I should not see you sleep. Simple. Okay. Silence. Silence. Item, don't make noise. I can see from here. Ah, is this clear, everyone? Okay, now second option. How am I purchasing, students? I am buying 5 lakh, 5 lakh. That means look at this. Today I will go purchase 5 lakh kg from Gadi. After 6 months, again I will go purchase 5 lakh. Tell me for every unit, how much I have to pay? 1 rupee. That means today I have purchased 5 lakh. How much I should pay? 5 lakh. After 6 months, again I purchased 5 lakh. How much I should pay? Again 5 lakh I should pay. That means totally in 1 year, how much I'm paying? 10 lakh. Can I tell simple boss? Total how much you want? 10 lakh. For every item, how much you're paying? 1. That means 10 lakh only. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. In this case also, I'll tell total for 1 year, 10 lakh I'm paying. Third option, I'm buying 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Today I purchased 2.5. How much I'm paying? 2.5. After 3 months, again I purchased 2.5. 2.5. Again 2.5. Again 2.5. Total again, how much I paid? 10 lakh I paid. So can I tell in a very simple way? Doesn't matter how you are buying. Ultimately, total how much you are buying in 1 year. 10 lakh I'm buying. Yes. For every unit, how much it is? 1 rupee. That means in all my options, what will be my total cost? 10 lakh. Yes or no, everyone? So can I tell it is my purchase price per unit? For 1 unit, how much? Into total how much units I am buying, which is nothing but my annual demand of raw material. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? Perfect. So I will tell the formula of my purchase price is, yes, purchase cost. Simple, just to get the feel. Yes, it is for 1 unit how much? It is my purchase price per unit into total how much units I want, which is nothing but my annual demand of raw material. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. That is point number one. Point number two being, yes, if a supplier doesn't give any discount, purchase cost will be same in all alternatives. it means it will be irrelevant for decision making. Understand, if an item is same for all option, that item is irrelevant for decision making. Okay, I'm talking costing now. What are you guys thinking? A simple point being, look at the students. I'm telling you guys have cleared your CA foundation. You guys are taking a decision. Where should I go for CA inter class? Okay. And assume faculties are same, quality is same, infrastructure is same, everything else is same. So the only factor based on which you are going to take a decision is price. I'm assuming. Okay. Which all institutes are there in and around Chennai? Tell me. JK Shah class is there. RRR. What is that? Movia. RRR. Then case. Then we are having our own academy. Maja Academy. Huh? Enough. Shh. Yes. Now, shh, pay attention, everyone. One cost that you are going to pay is going to be the coaching fees. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Randomly, I'm telling. Imagine 50,000, 60,000, 70,000, 40,000. Randomly, I'm telling. Okay. Now, along with that, shh, silence. You are paying coaching fees. Along with that, CA Inter exam you should write. It means you have to enroll for CA Inter. Yes or no? Yes. For that, how much you are paying? 18 or 20? I will take a round figure 20. Yes. ICAI registration fees. Now tell me, you go to JK Shah, you go to RR, you go to RRR, you go to Bahubali, whichever institute you go. This 20,000 you have to pay. You have to pay. Is there any difference? Is there any reduction? Nothing. It's the same only. Yes or no? 20, 20, 20, 20. That means, can you guys tell me the total cost in each of the options? 70, 80, 90, 60. Tell me, where do you want to purchase? Assuming quality, everything else is same. The point at which your total cost is minimum. Tell me where the total cost is. Yes. Yes. 60. Yes or no, everyone? This is going to be the first best. I'm randomly telling you numbers. Okay. Which is going to be second best. 70. Second best. Third best. Fourth best. Okay. I don't want any problems in future. I randomly put some numbers. Okay. But I decided I have to go out from here also. I don't want flying chappals. Okay. Because for my dad, I am the only first son. Okay. And my dad, after I have become CA, he respects me a lot. Okay. So, Maja is coming. Yes. So, tell me, everyone, on the basis of total cost, which is the first best option? Case 60,000, cost is minimum. Second best is JK Shah 70,000. What is the difference between them? 10,000. Now tell me, I say registration fees is same in all, na? That means I consider it, I ignore it. Just based on the fees also, if I take a decision, am I getting the exact same decision? Look at this, everyone. Yes, first best, second best, third best, fourth best. Yes, the difference between first and second, 40 and 50 is 10, 60 and 70 is also 10. Difference between first and fourth, 40 to 70 is 30, 60 to 90 is also 30. That means from a decision making perspective, if one cost I am incurring in all options, you consider it if you want, or if you ignore it also, will it change my decision? No. That means, look at this. If a supplier doesn't give any discount, now understand, yes, total 10,000 I want. Supplier is telling you are buying small quantity, means at the rate of 1 you will have to pay 10,000 at the rate of 1, 10,000. But you buy full 10,000 today, I will give it to you at 0.8 rupees. That means 10,000 into 0.8, 8,000. Yes, supplier is giving me discount, means my purchase cost is changing. In that case, is this cost relevant? Yes, boss, it is changing. But if supplier is not giving me discount, he told whatever you buy, you pay 1 rupee. End of the story. Now, in this case, you tell me, however I buy, my total purchase cost will be same only. That means if I consider it also, or if I ignore it also, will it change my decision? No. That means from a decision making perspective, it is irrelevant. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. Yes or no, everyone? Great. Now, if you guys want, yes, these special points, you can keep scribbling whenever I'm explaining, or else, yes, I want you guys to compulsorily do this one. Write down this example, yes, somewhere on a rough piece of paper, and whatever calculation you have done till now, I want you guys to write it down, because so many more things also will be doing. You guys can use the last pages of your books to do it. Recorded students, pause and do it by yourselves. Yes, everyone. Shh. Let us continue our discussion. Great. Next cost that we are going to discuss is going to be ordering cost. What is ordering cost? Silence. Say, when we are enjoying, we are enjoying. When we are coming back, we'll have to come back. Okay. Yes. What is ordering cost? Can you guys read it for me? It is the cost associated with ordering the raw materials, and it is incurred every time an order is placed. Just to give you simple examples, imagine I ordered my raw materials. Okay. So if I, or else I'll give you a very simple story. Have you guys watched KGF 2? Yes, sir. How many of you have not watched KGF 2? Go have a life for yourselves. Go watch and come back. Just kidding. Okay, now. So, KGF 2, there is a scene where Rocky is badly hit. So, he decides to go to Dubai. Why? To purchase Kalashnikov. Yes or no, everyone? Now, he is purchasing Kalashnikov from Dubai. I own my town. What is the song? Whatever it is. Now, pay attention. So, first thing is, to the supplier, he has to make the payment. To Inayat Khalil, he has to make the payment. Purchase cost. Second thing, he has to go purchase and come. For that, what all cost is incurring? Firstly, from here to Dubai. Yes. Traveling cost. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Why is he doing the travel? In order to order. Yes or no, everyone? Yes. Imagine he went to Dubai. He is staying there as well. So imagine, yes, restaurant's cost he is incurring. Why is he incurring? In order to order the raw material. Then he came back again. Again a travel cost. Why? Because he went to order that entire cycle. Now he came back. What should also come? Kalashnikov should also come. Yes or no? I'm incurring the transportation cost. Now there is a difference in a transport and travel. Travel is people. Transport is goods. Yes or no? Goods are getting transported. Now, when goods are getting transported, yes, Rocky Bhai had a fear. What if something happens in between? Yes, some fire occurs, something happens. So he takes a transit insurance. Yes, why? In order to order the goods, he is incurring this. Yes or no? And he has purchased the goods. Here, he has to load the goods into the truck. Here, once it reaches, unload the goods. Yes or no? That means understand. Yes, forget this travel cost. Okay, all other items. Okay, travel just for the sake of example I have told. All other items. Every time I am ordering, I am incurring this. Imagine 10 times I ordered. 10 times transportation. 10 times loading, unloading. 10 times transit insurance. Yes or no, everyone? This is my ordering cost. For ordering, what am I incurring? Okay. Yes. So look at this simple example. In my ordering cost, what all will be there? Transportation cost, loading, unloading, Transit insurance. Now other things can also come. Yes, in order to select supplier, sometimes you may pay commission, all those things may come. Okay, but for example perspective, this is more than sufficient. Is this clear, everyone? Okay, va? Okay, sir. Now let us go ahead, everyone. Pay attention. Shh. Silence. Yes, coming back to our example, sugarcane. Yes, it is telling me that ordering cost is 2000 per order. That means one time to order goods. How much I'm incurring? 2000 I'm incurring. Okay, va? Now I decide, yes, full 10 lakh I will buy today itself. That means tell me how many orders I'm placing. One order today I go to Gadi. Yes, I purchase, I come back one order only. For one order, how much it is? 2000. That means what will be my total ordering cost? I will tell boss 2000 per order. We did one order only, da. So it is 2000. If I am buying it as a 5 lakh, 5 lakh, I will give you time to write 5 lakh, 5 lakh. How many orders? Two orders. For one order, 2000. For two orders, how much? 4000. If I am buying it 2.5, 2.5, how many orders are needed? Four orders are needed. Every order 2000. So 2000 into 4. 8000 rupees is my cost. Yes or no? If I am buying it as 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh. 5 orders. Every order is 2000. So 2 into 5, 10,000. Yes. If I am buying 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 10 orders. So 2000 into 10. 20,000. If I'm buying 10,000, 10,000. Yes, 100 orders I should place. For every order, how much? 2,000 per order into 100 orders. Is it going to be 2 lakh rupees? Yes or no? Now, if I have to give it a formula, simple. What is formula? Just a logical understanding. Yes, it is ordering cost per order. For one order, how much? Into number of orders. How many times I ordered? Yes or no, everyone? Simple cross multiplication also you can do. Look at this. For one order, it is 2000 rupees, boss. If you're buying it as 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 10 orders I should place. That means how much? Sorry, I wrote it as 20,000. 2000 into 10. End of the story. There is nothing a cross multiplication cannot give you if you know to use it. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. First, write it down. Yes, write it down. Then we will continue our discussion. Recorded students, please pause and write it down. Yes, everyone. Shh, silence. So let me do one thing. In my ordering cost, yes, let me write down this formula as well. Pay attention, everyone. Shh. Look at this. I will give this formula. Ordering cost is nothing but ordering cost per order. If you want to write it simultaneously, into number of orders. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Where I'm telling boss, how do I get a number of orders? How many times I should order? How do I get? Total how much I want divided by one time how much I'm buying. Annual demand divided by ordering quantity. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Where number of orders is nothing but annual demand of raw material divided by ordering quantity. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Is this clear, everyone? If you guys are writing, I want you guys to write it down quickly. Now, writing is one thing. I want you guys to make it fast. Okay. Explanation, we'll do it slowly. We'll keep repeating everything we'll do. Okay. And know that from your examination perspective, the most important thing now with MCQs being introduced is going to be your writing speed. May 24 examination, 90% students are telling that they are not in a position to finish. Understand what used to be happening. Imagine previously costing 20 mark question was there. So imagine two questions are coming for 10 marks each. Now 14 mark question is there. What do you think? ICA is going to reduce the length and give you the question? Huh? No, same question it lasts for 8 mark, 7 mark. That means this anyways you have to attempt. With that MCQs also you should attempt. Your speed is going to be a very important factor. You would want a time to read the question properly, understand. But once you've understood the question till the time you finish solving, that should gradually increase. Okay, we will work on that on a daily basis. Once our session gets over at 5, we will be having a 15 minutes, yes, one question practice, wherein what we'll do is we'll keep a stopwatch. I will be giving you a random question that we've already discussed just to check, a reality check of how well you are pacing with the time. Consistently, we will work on that. But simple point being, writing speed has to increase. Okay. Yes, everyone. So is this over? Yes, everyone. Okay. So let us discuss one more small point. Simple, students. Now, very important philosophy in life. Shh. Kader, Vishwa, pay attention. Now, in real life, relationship can be different types. One-sided, two-sided, three-sided, four-sided, whatever it is. But in maths, relationship is only two types: direct relationship, inverse relationship. Direct means both are moving in the same direction. Inverse means both are moving in the reverse direction. That's all. Yes, relationship, maths. Okay, everyone. Now tell me, I want to check the relationship between ordering quantity and ordering cost. Why, sir? Chumma. I don't have anything else in life to do. So I want to check the relationship between these two people. What all? Ordering quantity and ordering cost. Now look at this. You have the values here. You have the values here. Yes, I want you guys, your foundation, yes, knowledge. Tell me what kind of relationship it is. Is it a direct relationship or inverse relationship? Inverse relationship, great. Look at this, everyone. When my ordering quantity is increasing from 10,000 to 1 lakh, yes, ordering cost is decreasing from 2 lakh to 20,000. Oh. One is increasing, one is decreasing. From 1 lakh to 2 lakh, it is increasing. From 20,000 to 10,000, it is decreasing. Oh. Inverse. From 2 lakh to 2.5, it is increasing. From 10 to 8, it is decreasing. Oh. Inverse. Is this clear, everyone? Perfect. So there is an inverse relationship. That means if I'm plotting it on a graph, imagine ordering quantity, ordering cost. Tell me, students, when my ordering quantity is 10,000, what is my ordering cost? Just see last column, how much it is? 2 lakh, yes or no, everyone? Then when it became 1 lakh, how much became my ordering cost? It became 20,000. It reduced, yes or no? When it became 2 lakh, how much it became? 8,000 something, if I'm not wrong. Yes, again reduced. When it became 2.5 lakh, how much it became? Again reduced. Yes or no, everyone? That means, can I tell my ordering cost is going to be a downward sloping curve? Yes or no? Simple inverse relationship. So when one is increasing, other should decrease. Inverse. Direct, when one is increasing, other is also increasing. Upward sloping. End of the story. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. So I will write, there is inverse. If you guys are writing, write it simultaneously. Relationship between ordering quantity and ordering cost. OQ ordering quantity, OC ordering cost. Why? Since if ordering quantity increases, number of orders decreases, and when number of orders decreases, ordering cost also decreases. Simple point. Pay attention, everyone. Look at this. Shh. When my ordering quantity increases, my number of orders will decrease. Simple. I want a 10 lakh. If I am buying 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, how many times I should buy? 10 times I should buy. But if I am buying 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 2 lakh, 5 times is sufficient. So if my ordering quantity increases, in one order more I am buying, that means less time if I buy is sufficient. And if my number of order reduces, ordering cost is ultimately ordering cost per order number of orders. Number of orders has reduced, ordering cost will also reduce. Yes or no, everyone? That means if I'm just doing an ordering cost graph, yes, how is it going to be? It is going to be a downward sloping. This is ordering quantity. It's going to be cost. A very small graph is going to be sufficient. Don't pick scale, pencil, all those things. Just in short, if you scribble, it is going to be sufficient. Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? Finish it off quickly, whoever is writing. Yes, students. Silence. Till now, whatever we've discussed, let us quickly try recollecting them. All of you guys, close your eyes, close your books, don't close your brain. Okay? Now, silence. Okay. Just try recollecting what all we've discussed. I am purchasing raw material. What is my objective? Total cost of raw material should be minimum. What all is there in total cost? Purchase cost, ordering cost, carry. I want the total of three costs to be minimum. I told my annual demand of raw material, in order to fulfill that, different options are there. in which option, in which ordering quantity my total cost is minimum, that is my most economic ordering quantity. Okay, based on that, a simple formula we derived: ordering quantity into number of orders. One time how much I'm buying into how many times I'm buying tells me total how much I'm buying. Simple feel. Ordering quantity into number of orders gives me annual demand. That means if I want my number of orders, how do I get it? It is annual demand divided by ordering quantity. Total how much I want divided by one time how much I'm buying. Perfect. Based on that, first cost is purchase cost. It is amount paid to supplier. So two extra points I told. Firstly, purchase cost formula. It is my purchase price per unit. For 1 unit, how much? Into total how much units I'm buying, which is the annual demand of raw material. Okay. Second point I discussed, if supplier is not giving me any discount, I am doing this for you guys. I would expect you guys to maintain the decorum. Anirudh, if supplier is not giving me any discount, purchase cost will be same in all the options. That means it will be irrelevant for decision making. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. Next one is ordering cost. In order to order, what I'm incurring. Simple, every time I'm ordering, I'm incurring. So the formula is going to be ordering cost per order. For one order, how much? Into number of orders, how many times I'm ordering. Number of orders formula we've already discussed. Then we are told, yes, what is the relationship between ordering quantity and ordering cost? What kind of relationship it is? Inverse relationship, because when my ordering quantity increases, my number of orders will reduce. So automatically my ordering cost reduces. Is this clear, everyone? So it is going to be a downward sloping curve. Perfect. Shall we continue our discussion? Okay. So open your eyes. The next cost that we are going to discuss is going to be carrying cost. Yes, everyone. Visible now? Yeah. Shall we discuss carrying cost? Perfect. Beautiful point, students. Beautiful point. Maja is coming. Okay. What is carrying cost? It is the cost of holding the inventory in stock. Now understand, I purchased my raw material. Pay attention. Purchased my raw material. Yes, for that, to my supplier, I paid purchase cost. To go and come, to ensure that my goods reach till go down, I incurred my ordering cost. Now, once the goods have reached go down, imagine I received my goods. Yes, they are lying here in go down. Full raw material. Today itself, am I using? No, I will be using after a point. Yes, this is the date of receipt of goods. And there is a date when I'm issuing my raw material. Yes, in between that, there is a period. Yes, till that period, I should hold my raw material. I should store my raw material. I should carry my raw material. So for that, what cost I've been carrying? That is my carrying cost. Is this clear, everyone? I received goods. Yes, today itself I'm not using. Today itself I was using, it was not needed. But I'm holding it. Because of that, I'm incurring. That is going to be my carrying cost. What all items will normally be there in carrying cost? 4 main items will be there, students. First is going to be storage cost. Yes, sugar cane 10, yes, 10 lakh, full 10 lakh I purchased today. Today itself am I using? No. That means till the time I'm using, what I should do? I should store. So for that I'm incurring storage cost. Is this clear? Okay. Next is going to be my insurance cost. Now understand, yes, imagine I am purchasing sugarcane daily. Daily 100 I am purchasing. Today I will purchase, today itself I will use. Do I need to store? No. Do I need to take any insurance? No, no tension. Today itself I am using. But I am purchasing full 10 lakh today. So I am holding it for 1 year. So I am having a fear. If in case fire comes, thief comes. So for that purpose I am taking an insurance. Why am I taking an insurance? Because I am holding my goods. Yes or no, everyone? So this is also going to be forming part of my carrying cost. Is this clear? Fourth one is going to be my obsolescence cost. What is obsolescence? You would have heard foundation, wear and tear, yes, becoming outdated, yes or no? Now understand, imagine I am buying 100 sugarcane daily. Daily itself I am preparing juice. No tension. Is there a chance for goods? Yes, sugarcane to become obsolete? No, today fresh I purchase. Today itself I am using. Or option 2, 10 lakh I purchase. Full 1 year I am storing. That means when I am storing for a long period, is there a risk that some goods may become a defective? Some goods a rat will eat or something will happen? Yes or no, everyone? Obsolescence. Why is obsolescence happening? Because I am holding my goods for a long period. Is this clear, everyone? That means my obsolescence cost is also going to form part of my carrying cost. Is this clear? Logic is clear, everyone? Yes or no? The final item is interest cost. Sir, why interest is carrying, sir? Because interest is carrying. Yes, what is it? Let us try understanding. Simple example, students. Imagine I am telling same sugarcane example. Okay. Imagine I do not have money with me today. I have to purchase sugarcane. Two options are there. Either full 10 lakh sugarcane I will buy today, or else daily 100 sugarcane I will buy. Okay, wa? Okay. First option, full 10 lakh sugarcane I purchase. Imagine I do not have cash with me. So where will I go? I will go to a bank. I will tell them, bank, give me loan. They ask how much. I tell 10 lakh I want because I have to purchase 10 lakh sugarcane. Is this clear? Okay, they told, okay, I will give you loan 10 lakh. Imagine 10 percentage, 1 lakh per annum you have to pay interest. I told, okay, fine. Second example, my business model is a daily I will purchase 100 sugarcane. That means today I will purchase 100 sugarcane. I will make juice out of it. I will sell. I will recover my cash. Tomorrow again I will purchase sugarcane. In this case, tell me, today to purchase a sugarcane, how much cash is needed? 100 rupees is sufficient. That means from bank, how much loan is sufficient? 100 rupees loan, I will ask at 10 percentage, 10 rupees. But sir, tomorrow again you'll have to purchase now. But wait, this 100 sugarcane that you purchased today, will you sell? Yes, that means will you recover your cost? Forget your profit. Have you recovered your material cost? You've recovered. That means tomorrow when you are buying, do you apply for a loan again? You recovered. So tomorrow you will again buy 100 rupees, again you sell. Tomorrow again you buy 100 rupees, again you sell. Again buy, again sell. That means basically understand, why am I incurring interest cost? Because I am buying more and I am holding it. Yes or no, everyone? The day I issue my raw material, the day I sell, I recover my cost. End of the story, boss. So today only I buy, today only I sell. No tension only. But because I am buying and I am holding, I have to incur my interest cost. Is this clear, everyone? But sir, if I have money with me, then no need of loan now. There is opportunity cost. Imagine I'm having 1 lakh with me. Yes, in the first case, what I will do? Can I use 1 lakh? Sorry, I'm having 10 lakh with me. Can I use a 10 lakh the way I want? No, I cannot use because my money is stuck in raw material. Second case, 10 lakh cash is there with me. Only 100 is sufficient. That means 9,90,000, whatever amount is there, I can invest somewhere and I can get some 10% return. Yes or no? Opportunity cost. That is my interest cost. Is it clear why interest is coming under my carrying cost? Yes or no? Now, interest could be the actual cost of, yes, amount borrowed if you are borrowing, or else it could be the opportunity cost. Yes, the earnings that you have sacrificed. One of the two it can be. Now, when I'm buying more and holding, my money is stuck, but I'm not getting it back. So, because of that, the more I'm holding, the more is the cost. That is why it is coming under my carrying or holding cost. Is this clear, everyone? The end of the day, simple interest is carrying cost. End of the discussion. Is this clear? Perfect, sir. So we are discussing carrying cost. This is a very important, beautiful discussion. Carrying cost means I have purchased my raw material. Till the date I am issuing, there is a time gap. So in that period, to hold my goods, to carry my goods, what I am incurring is my carrying cost. Perfect. Perfect. 4 items in my carrying cost. What are those 4 items? Can you guys tell me? Storage cost, insurance cost, interest cost, observation. Perfect. Perfect. Now, carrying cost is dependent on 2 factors. What are those 2 factors? It is the number of units as well as the time period for which goods is held. Simple example I'll give you. Assume storage cost. Yes, my sugarcane that I'm purchasing, I have to store it somewhere. Yes or no? On what factor it is dependent? Firstly, on number of units. Imagine I'm having only 100 sugarcane. Small place is sufficient. Small cost. Imagine I'm having 1 lakh sugarcane. Small place is sufficient. No, big place I'll have to take. That means more is the cost. Yes or no, everyone? That means, can I tell? Yes, if my units keeps changing, my carrying cost changes. Yes or no? Perfect. Next is the time period for which goods are held. I'm telling boss, 100 sugarcane only I'm having. I'm storing them for 1 month. 1 month rent is sufficient. 100 sugarcane I'm having, but I have to hold for 2 years. 2-year rent I have to pay. Yes or no, everyone? Perfect. My carrying cost is dependent on 2 factors. What are they? Number of units as well as the time period for which goods is held. Now, whenever I'm measuring my cost, now I will measure it based on the factor on which it is dependent. When I'm telling cement, I will tell cost per kg. Why? Because cost, sorry, it is per bag. Sorry, my mistake. Cement per bag, because cost is dependent on number of bags. Yes or no? Imagine I'm buying pen. How will I ask? Per unit, because it is dependent on number of units. I'm buying apple. How will I ask? Per kg, because it is dependent on number of kgs. Here, my carrying cost, is it dependent on one unit alone? No, it is dependent on two units simultaneously. So what is the format I will be telling? I will be calling it as carrying cost per unit per annum. Carrying cost PUPA. What is it? PUPA. What is PUPA? Carrying cost per unit per annum. Yes. Imagine I'm telling my carrying cost per unit per annum is 10 rupees. What does it mean? Carrying cost per unit, that is 1 unit per annum. If I'm holding for 1 year, my carrying cost is going to be 10 rupees. Because my carrying cost is dependent on number of units also, on the time period also. Is this clear, everyone? So if carrying cost per unit per annum is rupees 10, it means to hold 1 unit for 1 year, we incur a carrying cost of rupees 10. Is this clear, everyone? Till here, whether my discussion is clear? Any doubts? No? Speed is okay? Yes or no? Carrying cost, very important, beautiful discussion. Yes, we are slowly taking things one step at a time. Okay. Firstly, I told what is carrying cost. I have purchased my goods, but I am not issuing it today. So till that time, I should hold it. Na? For that, I am incurring carrying cost. Okay, boss. Next, what all will be there in carrying cost? 4 items. What all? Storage, insurance, interest, obsolescence. How my carrying cost will come? Sir, it is dependent on two factors, sir. Unit changes means also carrying cost changes. Time changes means also changes. So how will I call it? I will call it as carrying cost per unit per annum. That is 1 unit to hold for 1 year. Yes, what is the cost? Is this clear, everyone? Yes or no? And normally, carrying cost per unit per annum is dependent, yes, is determined, given as a percentage of my purchase price. So I will just be writing it like this: carrying cost per unit per annum. It is my purchase price per unit into carrying cost percentage, and this percentage definitely will be in terms of per annum. Yes, I will just make some space here. His carrying cost per unit per annum is normally given as a percentage of purchase price. Now, normally this is how it happens, students. Pay attention. I want to know, to hold 1 unit for 1 year, how much is the cost? Imagine I'm telling, I have manufactured this bottle. Yes, or I have purchased this bottle. 1000 rupees is the cost. So for one bottle, how much is the cost? 1000 is the cost. I'm telling I have purchased this, but I could not sell for 1 year. So for 1 year, how much percentage cost I should incur to hold this? Suppose question is telling me 10% of the cost I'm incurring to hold this. So what I will tell? Okay, boss, to purchase 1 unit, 1000. To hold for 1 year, I'm incurring 10% of cost. That means what is going to be my carrying cost? 100 rupees to hold 1 unit for 1 year. Is this clear, everyone? So normally we calculate it as a percentage of my purchase price. Is this clear, everyone? Simple. Okay, boss. Yes. Do you guys want to write any of these things? Yes. You guys want to write it down? Yeah, quickly write it down. Recorded students, pause and write it down. Yes, everyone. So we will take a short break now. 2:10 sharp. We will continue our discussion. Beautiful discussion coming up ahead. Carrying cost, EOQ, so many things are there. But now we will take a break. Thank you so much, my dear students.